Hello viewers, let's deal with some exponents. When we look at this, we see some same bases like x, okay, and we see some same exponents. So how do we simplify such expressions? Okay, let's take a look at this. When we see the same base and when we are dealing with the multiplications or divisions, we can actually add up the exponents when we have multiplication and subtract the exponent when we have division. Alright, so let's do it. This is equal to, okay, I wanna deal with the x bases first. So x to the power of 3x cubed times x to the power of 5. So when we have the same base and when we're multiplying, well, we can actually add the exponents up, okay? X cubed plus 5, okay? So it's going to be x to the power of 8. But we're not done. We also have under the division line x squared, okay? So this is division. When we're dividing the value with the same base, we actually subtract the exponent, right? So we can subtract it, so we can get rid of this x squared, okay? We carry it over to the upstairs, all right? So times, we have 3 squared and 2 squared, so we have the same exponent, but our bases are different. So when this is the case, we do not add the bases up. We multiply the bases, guys. Okay? The exponent is the same, but we multiply the bases. So 3 times 2 is going to be 6 to the power of 2. So 6 squared. Alright? So do not confuse the rules, because I know for a fact some students confuse those rules. There's nothing to be confused. You got to keep practicing, guys. All right? When the bases are the same, you add up the exponents when you're multiplying them, and when you're dividing them, you subtract the exponent. Okay? But when your exponents are the same, right, 2 and 2, what do? If there's multiplication, you multiply the bases. Alright? So 3 times 2 is 6. And our exponent remains the same. Alright? And our final answer is 8 minus 2 is 6 times 6 squared. Alright? You can say 36 times x to the power of 6.